Imagine floating through the frozen edges of our solar system, where temperatures plunge hundreds of degrees below zero. Out here, ice doesn't always behave the way it does in your freezer. In fact, sometimes it vanishes into thin space without ever melting. Welcome to the strange and surprising science of space ice and sublimation. When we think of ice, we picture frozen water cubes clinking in a glass or polar caps melting into oceans, but in space, things aren't so simple. The rules of physics shift. There's no atmosphere, little to no pressure, and temperatures that can swing wildly. The challenge? Understanding how ice, whether water, carbon dioxide, or methane, can transform directly from a solid into a gas, bypassing the liquid stage entirely. This process is called sublimation, and it's everywhere in the cosmos. Astronomers observe sublimation on comets all the time. As these icy bodies approach the sun, their frozen surfaces heat up. Instead of dripping into liquid water, the ice sublimates straight into vapor, blasting out jets of gas and dust that form those glowing comet tails. But it doesn't stop there. On Mars, the polar caps contain frozen carbon dioxide, dry ice. Each Martian spring, sublimation turns that solid carbon dioxide into gas, fueling dust storms and reshaping the surface. Even on distant moons like Europa or Pluto, sublimation sculpts landscapes, carving pits, ridges and plains out of frozen terrain. In other words, sublimation is one of the key engines of change in icy worlds across the universe. Here's the surprising part. Sublimation isn't just a background process, it can literally shape entire planets and moons. Imagine ice disappearing into space over millions of years, altering atmospheres, sculpting surfaces, and even creating conditions that could support life. Without sublimation, comets wouldn't glow, Mars wouldn't breathe, and Pluto wouldn't have its unique, ever-changing plains. Space ice isn't just frozen water sitting quietly in the cold. It's dynamic, restless, and transformative. Sublimation shows us how even the simplest substance, ice, can become a powerful force in shaping the story of our solar system. So next time you see a picture of a comet streaking across the night sky, remember, that glowing tail is ice, vanishing into gas, rewriting cosmic landscapes. If you loved uncovering this hidden science, hit that like button, subscribe to Brownprint for more cosmic mysteries, and let me know in the comments, which icy world should we explore next?